Alright guys, so on today's video, I'm going to clean the engine bay. So as you can see, engine bay is very dirty. So I'm going to do like a light shower mode on the hose. Get some of this sprayed off, and I'm going to use an engine cleaner. And then I got some brushes here I'm going to agitate. Get some wipes, and I'll probably do another rinse after I do the engine cleaner. But first step, I'm going to take this battery out. All right guys, I got this all sprayed down, sprayed the hood and stuff as well. Tried to get every nook and cranny, almost used a whole bottle. So if you guys are gonna use that stuff, I suggest getting 2 bottles just in case. I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes like the instructions say. And I'm gonna take a hose and I'm just gonna put it on shower mode and kind of shower it off. And one thing I did want to mention to you guys on this, make sure you're doing this on a cold engine. Don't do it on a hot engine, because spraying water, cool water on a hot engine, it's going to cause some temperature swing, expansion, contraction, could mess some stuff up, crack some stuff. All right, now I'm going to start hosing it off.
This stuff actually looks like it's working pretty good. I can tell just by the manifold, engine cover here and the manifold here. Kind of looking brand new almost in here. Going to kind of give everything a good wipe down with just a dry microfiber towel. And then once everything dries up completely, I'm going to use a I got something over there for trim, kind of shines it up. So we'll use that to shine everything back up once it all gets dried off here and wiped down. And this microfiber, you can see the dirt on it. It's still getting some stuff, so you know, obviously you're gonna have to wipe everything down good too once you finish spraying everything off, because there's gonna be some stuff that's, you know, stays. It's just gonna need some little elbow grease to get off of there.
All right, so this is where we're at, and I'm gonna spray some stuff on it to kind of shine up the little black plastic pieces, but it's looking a lot better for sure so far. All right, guys, it's done, and I even went ahead and did some rust reformer on the frame here, or the body where the battery sits, because it's starting to get a little rusty and it had some bare paint. But I ended up using like a trim restore compound on some of these plastic parts. The intake, you know, I could only do so much with it. It looks like it's just kind of stained that way, but everything else looks pretty good under here, I would say. Definitely better than it was.